viewers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on this link and you'll see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out so they can ship it to you fast. Let's see. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Alright, oh boy. We got some stuff right on top. And here we go. C1 series. I'm not sure who this is coming from. Brandus, I think. They got some tweeters on their social. I think it is Brandus. I might be wrong, but it'll be corrected in the title and once you click the link. Alright. Ooh, fancy. So it shows you how to install. Alright. Alright. Let's take this out. You got some. This is what it looks like. And now here are the pieces. One by one we go. Power adapter. You got some kind of wheels. I can't get that one out. Oh man, I got it wedged in pretty good. Oh, we got this hose. Got the flex hose. Got some screws. Probably for the wall mount. Got some handles where you put the accessories, like the wands. Alright, oh, that's why. That's why, alright. It's this thing. It's like one of the main pieces. Oh, wow. This looks nice. Got the lights right there. Nice black finish. Let me flip it around. You can see the brush. That's the brush style right there. Pretty cool. Put this one on the ground. And then here's like the middle part, I guess. That's where you connect everything. I'll show you how it goes in a second. It's gonna take very slow. Something hit me. Oh, it's this thing. I might get it out of the bag. Yeah, pretty good job shipping it. Now there we go. It's a red brush. And that's what that looks like. You can put that over here. And then we got a bunch of goodies. See, here's the wall mount. Not sure where I'm going to install it, so we'll probably gonna leave the wall mount out. Some brushes. Whoa. You could detail your couch, your car. If I could unlatch. Why the hell? Okay. Now here's the main unit. Ooh, fancy. There's a LED display, power, TC1 series. Cordless. So the filters are right there. You push this button right here. It drops out so you can empty it or change the filter. So you might want to see if they have accessories. Also, you could buy double of the filters, but they should last you a pretty good time. It all depends on how dirty your place is, or your small business, or your home, condo, whatever, your work. There we go. And then now we're gonna put this together. I think we got everything. Oh, except for another brush. This is different. It's like a massager. I've never seen this kind of. Look at that. It looks evil. I'm not sure what this does. Oh, for dog hair? Oh. Bam. Alright. That's something new. Never seen one on the vacuum. Here's the main battery. I'm gonna take that out too. And then that's a nice size battery charger. Right there. Really cool. Alright guys, I'm going to show you where to stick it. Right here. Bam. Locked and loaded. Next part. Okay, this is cool. I forgot to show you guys this part. See this button right here? Bada boom. You can extend it. Now, that is cool. Alright, this is something different. I'm liking it. Now for the install on the... Oh, that didn't work too well. Hold on one sec. Okay, hopefully this works a lot easier. Just lining up. Bam. And then now you got yourself a cordless vacuum. I'll show you here what the small version looks like. All the way down. Like I said, that's a small length. And now we're going to supersize it. Look at that. Way better. All the way up to the top. All the way down. In the middle. Right there. So yeah, really cool. Now we're going to test, see how it sounds and how loud it is and how it vacuums. And of course you want to make sure the battery goes in there. It's going to be hard to do this. I think we got this over here. And slide it in. You hear it click. There we go. Now. Whoa. You can change the speed. Got the light there. There you go. Got some little dirt. Alright, try to get up. Hold on. There you go. So you got some action going. Pretty fast, not too loud. Got the lights going. There you go, a little dust. Dog hair. Pretty cool. I'm going to set that off because it probably sounds different for you guys. And we're going to come back here. And like I said, you get to just do the wall mount for the battery charger. So that's right there. That's why those two are there. Charge it, then you can mount it. And I'm going to keep it right now because, like I said, I'm not sure where. And like I said, you got the dog brush. You got an extended one. And then the hose. So yeah, you get everything in this. Definitely check them out. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. Take it easy.